Hey everyone, going to do a little video here between the Jeep light that we put on the Lectric XP Premium and the stock Premium that you can see on the right. Left side is the aftermarket light. Quite a bit better light output. I got it up a little bit yet. Could put it a little bit further down, but from an eyesore standpoint, it's not too terrible. What you're looking at around the video here is the Trigger 1 relay. This is the relay that allows you to adjust the brightness of that light. So if I turn this down, I can turn it completely off. I can have it just barely on, and to kind of match the light output. Again, you can adjust that light however you want. But this relay also allows you to strobe the light, which is really handy while you're in daytime running mode. You can turn it completely off, that sort of thing. So really easy mod. The Trigger 1 Bluetooth relay goes right in place of the relay that's on the Jeep, or on the the Jeep. On the electric bike, you could get the small cube. This is a double or a triple, and yeah, so can't really show you too much more while it's dark like this, but just wanted to show what the Trigger 1 relay looks like. It's very handy. And when it's down, the camera is showing some flickering because it's matching the hertz of the LED, but to the naked eye that is not flickering. So you're seeing more of it than what that does not show up when you're looking at it. Stock light here. This is the upgraded headlight on the Premium. That comes standard with it. Turn that one up. Quite a bit more throw. That just turned off by itself. And again, I haven't really noticed the difference. When my wife and I are riding, we're riding on the same pedal assist modes. Not really any different. But it is different because I weigh more than her. And really there's almost no draw being LED. So that's kind of how the Trigger 1 relay works. And when you're out on the trail, this is something that's really nice to have extra light if you have to ride at night.